today's video by showing you this little swatch on my hands, okay? So I had swatched a lipstick and a kajal. On one side, I had sprayed the NYX Makeup Setting Spray. After a few minutes, on the side where there was no makeup setting spray, everything got smudged very easily. However, where I had applied the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, do you see no smudging at all? Isn't this absolutely amazing, guys? So yes, that's what I'm talking about today, the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, different ways to use them, what it does to my makeup, and why this is a complete game changer. Well, just keep watching this video to find out. Today we're going to talk about the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, which has been such a life changer, such a game changer for me. It has been such an amazing discovery. A lot of you keep asking me, Prachi, which makeup setting spray do you recommend? Which one do you use? And honestly, guys, the NYX Makeup Setting Spray is so amazing. I think it's an absolute must-have for anybody who loves doing makeup. If you want your makeup to last longer, for your makeup to get fixed really well, this is without doubt, for me personally, the best discovery so far. So it comes from the brand NYX Professional Makeup, right? And it's a professional makeup brand. It is extremely accessible in terms of pricing. The product quality is amazing. You might have seen a lot of professional makeup artists and influencers, including myself, use this brand from time to time. So let me start by first telling you that the setting spray actually comes in two variants. One gives you matte finish and the other one gives you a dewy finish. Personally, because I have dry skin, dewy finish, the dewy finish variant works much better. For people who have oily skin, I think you might prefer the matte finish one more. So let me just tell you what this product is all about. This is a NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and it's a lightweight water based setting spray that keeps your makeup looking dewy and, like it says here, amazing. Personally, I have felt it that it actually feels amazing on the skin and really does make your makeup stay. And also the product is vegan and cruelty free, which definitely makes me give this product an even bigger thumbs up, because you know, vegan and cruelty free is something that we really need to start looking at when you're buying our beauty products and you're buying our cosmetics. Personally, I love the fact that it actually feels so natural, so easy on the skin. You know, when I apply it, it just feels like I'm spraying something very lightweight, because it is a very lightweight formula, and then for the whole day my makeup just stays intact. So usually I start filming my videos early in the morning and then we, you know, continue throughout the day. And for me, it has always been such a struggle, because I wear my makeup in the morning and then throughout the day I have to keep doing touch-ups, and the touch-up has to match with the first shot that we took to, you know, keep the continuity when I'm filming my videos. So that is multiple touch-ups, a lot of effort, a lot of, you know, going back and forth. Ever since I started using the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, I just have to use it once after doing my makeup and I'm sorted for the whole day. No touch-ups required, the makeup looks fresh, the makeup looks intact, and it's so easy, so amazing. So personally, I think this makeup setting spray is great for anyone. Like if you're going to college, if you're going to office, if you're just attending a party, if you have a wedding, and if you just want your makeup to stay put, this can be such an amazing thing to have around. So using this is very simple. Let me first show you this little swatch on my hand again, because I think it's so amazing how it makes your makeup completely smudge proof. Like you can see on the side, when I had not applied the makeup setting spray, everything got smudged very easily, and the same lipstick, the same kajal did not smudge at all after applying the NYX Makeup Setting Spray. The application is super easy. You just have to hold about 6 inches from your face, so not too close, and then spray it evenly. 3 to 4 sprays should be enough. Let it sit, let it dry for a little while, and then that's it. That will lock your makeup entirely, fix your makeup so well. So apart from using it as a makeup setting spray, you know, to set your makeup, to prevent all the smudging and all that from happening, this is something which can also be used as a primer. So just before applying the foundation, I sometimes like to use it as a primer to just make my foundation sit better. Sometimes I'll just spray this on my beauty blender to kind of just make my foundation work out better, to make the application a lot easier. For prolonged wear, it just works beautifully, especially also for powdered makeup like eyeshadows and highlighters. Here's a very easy tip, okay? So just take a little bit of your NYX Makeup Setting Spray on an eyeshadow brush, and then with this apply your eyeshadow. This will make the colors pop out better, which is so easy, right? It just makes the eyeshadow application much easier when your colors are already popping out better. It also again makes your eyeshadow sit better, sit longer, and that is so great. So this is a makeup setting spray which can be used for a lot of purposes, for so many things, and it just makes your skin look so glowy, so dewy. Like let me show you this, how my skin was looking before I applied the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, and after applying the NYX Makeup Setting Spray, this is how my skin was looking. So right now this is how my face is looking, right? I'll just show you how I use it. I'm not wearing any makeup setting spray, but I'm definitely wearing makeup. That's it. That's all I have to do. And in just a little while, this will all set and my face will look fresh, my face will look glowing, and that's it. That's all I have to do. So this 60 ml bottle retails for rupees 875, which makes it such a smart makeup buy. Especially if you consider all the time, effort and money you're saving in retouching your makeup and redoing your makeup. For instance, like I just showed you, this is how my face was looking after applying the NYX Makeup Setting Spray. This is how my makeup was looking after 3 hours of applying the NYX Makeup Setting Spray. And then after 6 hours, I took this another shot, and then after 8 hours, I took another shot. So this is how my makeup was still intact. Even after 8 hours, it looked fresh. It looked like I've just done my makeup, which is so amazing. So guys, if you're looking for a new makeup setting spray, I think this is without doubt the most amazing thing you can get. Like for me, I know for me this has completely changed my life. What I'll do, guys, I'll put the link for this in the description box below. Currently in India, it's available at Nykaa.com, so I'll put the Nykaa link in the description box below. Like I just told you, it comes in a matte finish and it comes in a dewy finish. No touch-ups, super comfortable on the skin, completely long-lasting. So what else can you possibly ask for from a makeup setting spray, right? Plus it makes the colors look nicer, so yeah, that's definitely an added bonus. Anyway, so I'll put the link in the description box below. If you have any queries or if you have tried out this product already, let me know in the comment section below what you feel, what you think, what you have to say. And also, while you're checking out the links and sharing your comments, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.